In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw funds from your Garna account straight to your PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right. Now, as you can see here, this is my Garna account and I have some funds in it. I wish to go ahead and withdraw these funds into my PayPal account. The advantage is with the Garna account, you can withdraw funds either in US dollar or even euros straight to your PayPal account in a matter of seconds. And the minimum amount you can withdraw to your PayPal account is from $10. And the good thing is it is free to withdraw these funds from your Garna account straight to your PayPal account. All right, let's get into it. Now, to withdraw your funds, you can either use the official Garna website or you're using the Garna official mobile app. So you can either download this through Google Play Store or App Store. You'll need also to confirm or verify the pass and also to enable two-factor authentication. And now if you go to your email, you can see verification in Garna passed. From here, now you can go ahead and proceed to withdraw or transfer your funds. So if you go back to your account, withdraw your funds, go ahead and click on withdraw here. If you click on withdraw, you can see we have various options for you to transfer your funds. You can transfer your funds to bank, you can transfer to card, electronic wallet, as well as cryptocurrencies. Now, if you wish to transfer to bank, you can go ahead and click on bank transfer here. However, should you want to transfer your funds to PayPal, then go ahead and choose electronic wallet. From here, click on it. And you can see we have various options here, Payoneer as well as PayPal. For my case, I wish to transfer funds from my Garna account to my PayPal account. So I'll go ahead and click on PayPal. Here, go ahead and confirm your PayPal email. So if the email you used to create your Garna account is different from your PayPal account, go ahead and enter your new or your PayPal account here. Then go ahead and choose your country. I'll go ahead and choose mine. Unfortunately, my country is not among the countries that can use this payment option. I don't know why, but for PayPal, I normally use it. So for this, it means I'll have to use another method. But for your case, just go ahead and select your country and then click on continue to complete your transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then give the purpose for withdrawal, and then click on withdraw. And the confirmation code that will be sent to your phone. And finally, you can see this is the last process, payment accepted. The process is done. Now you can see the account balance is 0 and the transaction history is down below here. So that's how you can withdraw funds from your Garna account to your PayPal account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.